Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So today we are back with another recipe from the Konkani cuisine, cabbage sukke. Sukke means dry in Konkani. This is a dry side dish which is had usually along with rice. You can have it even along with roti or chapati. So let's see how to make this simple recipe. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest notification from us. To make this recipe, the ingredients required are 2 cup of finely chopped cabbage, quarter cup of grated coconut, 2 to 3 green chili slit, 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of jeera, a pinch of turmeric and salt as per taste. Preheat a non-stick pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Prepare the tempering by adding mustard and jeera. Once the mustard seed starts popping, add the slit green chilies to it. Add the finely chopped cabbage and saute everything until it's finely cooked. Once your cabbage is almost done, add the turmeric powder and salt to it. Cook everything for some more time and add the grated coconut. Mix everything well and let it cook for some time. Now your cabbage sukka is ready. Do try this easy and instant recipe at home and do let me know on how it was in the comment section. If you like our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are a few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Have a nice day and keep smiling.